Hello all, welcome to the day 50 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. The volume of water in a rectangular in-ground swimming pool is given by V of x is equal to x cube plus 11x square plus 24x, where V of x is the volume in cubic feet when the water is x feet high. The polynomial v of x is a function of its height and x represents the height. So that's what we have to understand. Question 1. Find the dimensions of the base of the pool. To get that, let's take the polynomial given. V of x is equal to x cube plus 11x square plus 24x. Volume is nothing but length into breadth into height. So we have to factorize this polynomial and get three quantities that might be taken as length, breadth and height. Now, taking x as common in this, we get x square plus 11x plus 24, and further factorizing this bracket using the splitting in the middle term, 11x can be written as 8x plus 3x plus 24. So we get the factors as x plus 3, x plus 8. So we have represented v of x as the product of three quantities. Now here x is the height, that is what is given in the question. So if we take height as x, we are left with the other two. So the dimensions are x plus 3 and x plus 8. Question 2. Find the volume when x equal to 3 feet. V of 3, substituting 3 in the place of x, which gives us 198 cubic feet. Question 3. If the volume is 100 feet cube of water, what is the height x? V is 100, which means x cube plus 11x square plus 24x is equal to 100. We can write this polynomial in factorized form, that is x into x plus 3 into x plus 8, which is 100. X into x plus 3 into x plus 8 is equal to, now 100 can be rewritten as 2 times 5 times 10. 2 times 2 plus 3 times 2 plus 8. So the right hand side is exactly written in the pattern of the LHS. Comparing the LHS and the RHS, we can come to a decision that x is equal to 2. For volume equal to 100 feet cube, height is 2 feet. Now we might get a doubt that since the degree is 3, we must have 3 solutions for x. We can try solving this question using the factor theorem way. The given expression is x cube plus 11x square plus 24x is equal to 100. That is x cube plus 11x square plus 24x minus 100 is equal to 0. The constant term is minus 100. The factors for that is plus or minus 1 comma plus or minus 100, plus or minus 2 comma plus or minus 50, plus or minus 4 comma plus or minus 25. Substituting 2, get 2 cube plus 11 times 2 square plus 24 times 2 minus 100. On further solving, we will get 0. Since f of 2 is equal to 0, that means remainder is 0, which means this x is equal to 2. That is x minus 2 is a factor. Using this x minus 2, we can go ahead with a log division method to get the other factors. On doing the long division, we will get the quotient as x square plus 13x plus 50. Now this x square plus 13x plus 50 has to be factorized further to get the other two numbers. Before we factorize this expression, let us analyze the nature of the roots using this b square minus 4ac, which is 13 square minus 4 times 1 into 50. We'll get a negative number here, which means that there are no real roots, which means we will get two complex numbers as the other two solutions, which we cannot take because x represents height. So here also x can be taken as 2 only. Question number 4. If the maximum capacity of the pool is 520 feet cube, what is its maximum depth? That is, volume is equal to 520 feet cube. X cube plus 11x square plus 24x is equal to 520, which is x into x plus 3 into x plus 8 is 520. Rewriting the right hand side, this is 5 times 5 plus 3 times 5 plus 8. We have written this RHS in the same pattern as the LHS. In this, we can understand that x is equal to 5 feet. This question can be solved this way, or apply the factor theorem, get the factors for the entire expression x cube plus 11x square plus 24x minus 520. We'll get one factor. Using that factor, it could be divided and then get another polynomial, and that polynomial has to be solved further. To solve it further, again we have to apply b square minus 4ac and see the nature of the roots. And here also we will get complex numbers as solutions. Since the other two numbers are complex numbers, we ignore those solutions and we take only x as 5, since x represents the height. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.